The Canberra-class landing helicopter docks LHDs are the largest constructed vessels for the Royal Australian Navy. The two Canberra-class LHDs, HMAS Canberra and HMAS Adelaide, were commissioned in November 2014 and December 2015. The Canberra-class LHD can transport over 100 troops, 100 armored vehicles, and 12 rotary wing aircraft. The Canberra-class ships incorporate a conventional steel monohull with the superstructure placed on the starboard side of the flight deck. The shallowest possible draft allows the LHD to operate in shallow waters expected in the coastal regions. The flight deck is 202.3 meters long and 32 meters wide. It will enable the operation of the Australian Defence Force's ADF rotary wing aircraft. Each Canberra-class ship has 4 20mm automated guns, 6 12.7mm machine guns, an anti-torpedo towed defense system, and a NULCA active missile decoy system.